Hey stranger, mind if I join you? Oh, would it be rude of me not to? Yeah, I'm coming. It didn't take that long. It was like 5 minutes. Oh, my apologies. 10 minutes. It's a miracle you survived that long without me. Close call, huh? How can I make it up to you? I think I can manage that. And just to be extra sure. We're so silly, but I love it. Let's never change, okay? Even when we're 80 or 100. Isn't that what it's all about? Finding someone to be silly with, that you can be yourself with. Not having to wear a mask or pretending to be something you're not. What an exhausting life that would be. And sad. I'm glad that I can be me and you can be you. Yeah? No, I'm not feeling sad or anything. Just kind of reflective. This year is coming to an end and a new one's about to start. You know I always get like this, if I'm still awake at this time. I think, were we at a party last year? They're too noisy to think most of the time. Oh yeah, definitely. This is so much better. As much as I love our friends, I'd much rather be spending this time with you. Bringing in the new year, curled up in your arms, and your kiss on my lips. I can't think of a better way I would spend my time. I love you more. Let's not start that. Otherwise we'll miss the new year completely, arguing about who loves who more. I'll give in to you. I'll let you love me more till the end of the year. Okay, and the beginning of the next. All of it? That's quite an ask, you know. I did say I'd give in to you, didn't I? You like hearing that, don't you? Maybe secretly, I like what I see when I say it. Not a secret anymore, I guess. Well, you get this look in your eyes. It gives me goosebumps. What is that smug smirk, huh? It is so. What would you like me to do about it? I could take it from you. It's mine now. You can have it back eventually. Later tonight. You seem very sure of yourself. Oh, I know. I guess I kind of am feeling a little feisty today. It's just one of the side effects of being around you for prolonged periods of time. Long-term exposure is dangerous, but absolutely worth the risk. Nothing. Just getting lost in your eyes. How could I not? They hold eternity. Once I fall in, I lose all sense of up or down, and I just want to keep falling. Holding me tighter won't stop me from falling. Oh, then what's the reason? All together, gladly. I had to. You take my breath away. Figuratively and literally. I swear, the things that you do to me can't possibly be normal. True. Normal is overrated. And probably decided by someone boring too. Let's throw normal out at the end of this year. And this coming new year, we have to be our loving and authentic selves, freely and unashamedly. I feel like we already are, to a certain degree, between ourselves at least. But now I say we completely throw away all and every kind of pretense. Do you not feel that sometimes you find yourself in situations where you have to slip the mask back on because you're worried what the person before you might think? Yeah, I'm throwing that in the bin. Don't worry, I won't get myself into trouble. I don't like how I feel when that happens. Because that person hasn't judged me at all. I never even got the chance to do so. But in that moment, I've judged myself. And I think that's so much worse. So, no judging anyone. Not myself, and never anyone else either. Your turn. What are you throwing in the bin this year? Like the grind mindset. I like that one. You work way too hard. I know it's for us, but I don't want to see you overworked and tired, and not able to spend a lot of time together. Does that apply to me too? I guess I can be guilty of it sometimes. Okay, more than sometimes. Yeah, burnout is not fun. Hang on a second. You're not saying this just to get me to work less this year, are you? It is, isn't it? That is so sneaky. I'm gonna make it my mission to make you work less this year. No, that doesn't count as extra work for me. Stop trying to loophole me out of this. You have loopholed yourself into it. We are going into this new year relaxed and happy. We're not going to set any major goals for ourselves. We're going to make small changes every day to whatever needs changing, but we'll deal with those things as and when they pop up. We'll make each other stick to it. I want to lighten your burdens the way you lighten mine. But look at us. You're carrying all my burdens already, with me in your lap like this. Maybe I should. I can't possibly weigh nothing. Okay, I won't dare move from your lap. I succeeded in tricking you. I have no intentions of leaving your lap. None whatsoever. For the whole year, and every year after that. Oh, I do want to add some more things. We have to go away more often, travel more, whether it's far away and for longer, or a few days and more locally. I think you already know what I'm gonna say. You know, places like Japan, maybe South Korea would be nice. 2 or 3 weeks at least. I secretly want to scope it out and see if we could move there. Well, I won't be getting my tropical island anytime soon. It would be nice one day. But as long as I'm with you, I really don't care where we are. I'd say even a cabin in the woods, but you know, I'd actually love that. The time? It's 59 past and 8 seconds. Since when did you have to ask? You may.